Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the sensor environment ideal and ensuring the system is ready. Back up important data, then set a secure screen lock if not present because Fingerprint needs that. Wipe the sensor and your finger. Dirt and oils cause reads to fail. Remove any case or protector that covers the sensor. Reboot the phone to clear temporary glitches, then go to settings and check for system or security updates. Updating firmware often fixes biometric issues. Once done with basics, open Fingerprint settings and remove existing entries. Corrupt templates prevent new matches. You re-register fingerprints by following on-screen prompts, taking time to capture full pad coverage. Rotate the finger and record partial edges. Use slow, steady presses rather than quick swipes so the sensor captures ridge detail. Repeat enrollment for both thumbs or primary fingers to improve success rate. Make sure no moisture or lotion is present. Sensor accuracy drops with contaminants. To finish, test the sensor repeatedly across typical use positions to confirm reliability. You want consistent unlocks. If failures persist, clear all biometric data and re-enroll from scratch. This removes template corruption. Make sure you also try safe mode to rule out third-party app interference. If problems continue after software steps, suspect hardware, the sensor or flex cable may be damaged. In that case, backup data and book authorized repair under warranty. Do not open the device unless trained.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.